Mufti Menk, one of the most recognized Islamic scholars of our time. But who is he? Mufti Ismail ibn Musa Menk was born on June 27, 1975, in Harare, the capital of Zimbabwe. He was raised in a family of Indian origin, and his father, Sheikh Musa Menk, was a well known Islamic scholar in the local community. He memorized the entire Quran by the age of 9. After completing his early education, Mufti Menk traveled to the Islamic University of Medina in Saudi Arabia. There, he earned a degree in Sharia, specializing in fiqh. He then pursued further studies in India at Darul Uloom, where he specialized in the Hanafi school of thought and earned the title of Mufti. In the early 2000s, when social media was new, he started using it and gained a lot of attention due to his ability to communicate complex topics in simple and practical terms. As his influence grew, Mufti Menk began to receive invitations to speak in countries across the world, from Africa and the Middle East to Europe, Asia, and North America. He addressed audiences in mosques, universities, and even stadiums. Despite his popularity, Mufti Menk has faced challenges. At times, his lectures were misunderstood, and in certain countries, he even faced travel restrictions. He's been consistently named one of the most influential Muslims. He also writes books, like the popular series Motivational Moments. Beyond that, he's deeply involved in charity.